In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Instax link wide smartphone printer. So let's unbox it. The first we will see is the charging cable, stand. We have the booklet, and that's our, and here is our printer. So let's open it. So that is our Instax printer. If we press this button, it should switch on, but it is not charged, so we have to do the charging first. Now plug in the USB cable, one end to the charging point and other end goes to your printer. So you will see it has started to flash. So I have completely charged it. Now press the start button. So button is here, that is the Instax. Press it down and you will see the rainbow color appears there. It's starting now. Next step is to install the film. So you have to buy the film separately, and this only uses the Instax wide film. So now open it. So it is a set of two films. You can also see, just remove it. So it has, so we can do the 10 photos with that. So let's install it. Move it to the one side. Now match the color, that's the yellow color there and here. So it's very easy, just place it here. So just slide it in the last part and then this one, and now we have to close it. Now wait for the protective film to come out, so we cannot use it. Just take it out, and now it is installed properly. Next step is to connect it with the mobile device. You can use iPhone, Android phone. Download the Instax link wide app. You can download it from the App Store. Next is to add this device here. So first we have to add it. On the top we can see it says device not connected. So select it and wait for the next page to show up. It displays your Instax printer. Connect. Click pair. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. So it is connected. Close. It displays estimated level of battery, and it also displays on the top how many photos are left. So let's print a photo. One thing more, you can also edit the photos. You can just edit and make collage, so whatever you want. So simple print. So I'm just going to print this photo. So once you select the photo, now if you want, you can just add the text, you can edit it, you can crop it. There are lots of things you can do in this app. And once you are ready, click on the print icon. So we'll just wait for the printer. If you don't select the number of photos, automatically it will start the printing. It has printed. We can just take it out. Easy. And we just have to leave it to develop. So it might take a couple of minutes. So let's see how the result looks like. So let's see the result. So you can see the print quality is really good. It has developed now. So it's a very easy and quick way to print the photos in a large size, and I really like it. So this way we can do the complete setup of this photo printer. So it's good if you are just going somewhere, you can just recharge it and then you can start taking the photos. It can print up to 10 photos at one time. Thanks for watching.